Toyota Innova 2016 model V variant 2.5 liter diesel engine with manual transmission. Single ownership இருக்குது. 57,000 kilometers done so far with company service record. It's an 8-seater MUV. Insurance is till Jan 2026. Tires and battery are recently replaced. This vehicle comes with driver and co-passenger airbags, reverse camera, rear spoiler, rear bumper guard, footrests on the sides as well. This vehicle is for sale. Contact for test drive.